everyone, welcome back to my channel, All About Ash. Before we jump to today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial all over this side swoop extended ponytail that I did on my relaxed hair. And if you haven't seen this vlog yet, make sure you watch it before or after watching this video. But if you want to see how I was able to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm just starting off with my hair already straightened. It's not super neat or anything, I just quickly straightened my hair. But for this look, you do want your hair to be somewhat straightened in order to get it into that nice, really sleek ponytail. So a couple days ago, I straightened my hair and this is what it looks like now. I'm just going to start brushing it and getting it into place. Okay, so now we're just going to start working on the parting of the bang, seeing how much hair I want in the bang and how much hair I want to go back. I'm not going to lie, this part took the most time. It was just a lot of trial and error, seeing how far over I want the part, how much hair I want in the bang, all of that. So I would just kind of keep on parting, readjusting, putting my hair in the ponytail, seeing how it looked, and then going back and reparting again. This part you just want to take your time with and just get your part right and to your liking. Now I'm just going to go in with this 24-hour edge tamer edge control and use it to further clean and define my part. So I'm just going to apply the edge control to my part, go in with the end of my edge control brush and just repart my part. The edge control just helps to make sure that your part is really clean and defined. Once the part is done, I'm just going to clip up the bang so we can start slicking the rest of the hair. To achieve the sleek ponytail, I'm going to use Murray's pomade to slick my hair down. I like to use this product because it's not water-based and it'll allow your hair to stay straight and sleek. So first, I'm just going to determine where I want my ponytail. I know that I don't want mine super high or really low. Once I figure out where I want my ponytail, I'm first going to start off by parting my hair in sections and then applying the Murray's pomade. Then I'm going to go ahead and brush it through, then go back in with the same edge control from earlier to further smooth the hair. Then I'm just going to repeat the process of parting my hair in sections and applying the Murray's and edge control until I get to the top layer. Once I get to the top layer, I'm going to first do my edges with the same edge control before repeating the same process to slick my hair down. Once I'm done doing my edges and slicking down all of my hair besides my bang, I'm going to work on getting my hair into the ponytail. This actually took me multiple attempts to get it to my liking and my arms were super sore afterwards. Now we're going to start working on the actual bang. This step is pretty simple. I just use the edge control to slick it down and the Got2b free spray to hold the bang in place. Once I sprayed the free spray, I would go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting to help mold the bang into place, and then I just repeated the process, working my way down the bang. It's important to make sure that you really mold your hair with the free spray so that when it gets time to tuck the bang behind your ear, everything stays in place. To secure the bang, I just used a bobby pin behind my ear to keep everything together, and I also bobby pinned the rest of my hair up underneath my ponytail. To start the extended ponytail, I first braided my ponytail so that I'm able to sew the bundles to my hair. Since my braid is kinda long, I like to fold it in half to make it shorter. This makes it easier so that I don't have to sew for as long and I don't have to use as many bundles. The hair I'm using is straight 30-inch bundles that I got from the beauty supply. I actually really like working with this hair for quick ponytails like this one, and since this hair is synthetic, I'm just going to make sure that I detangle it a little before sewing it to my braid. Now I'm just going to start sewing the bundle up my braid, first threading the needle through the weft of the bundle and then through the bottom of my braid and securing it twice. Then all you're going to do is tightly wrap the bundle up the braid and every now and then secure the bundle with the needle and thread. This process takes longer than using bobby pins or a wraparound ponytail, but I prefer it because this method ensures that your ponytail is secure and not going anywhere. This is what my ponytail is looking like so far after sewing one whole bundle up my braid. Now I'm just going to repeat the process, adding the second bundle and wrapping up the braid until I get to the base. Once I get to the base of the braid, I'm just going to secure the bundle to my actual ponytail holder with the needle and thread and then cut off the extra hair. Now we can start working on the wraparound. I'm going to gather a small amount of hair from the bottom of the ponytail and wrap it around the base to conceal the exposed wefts and create a clean finish. To do this, I'm just going to wrap that section of hair around the base of the ponytail and spray the Got2b Freeze Spray and set it with my blow dryer, again on the cool setting, so the wrap will stay in place. Then I'm going to secure the end of the wrap to the bottom of the ponytail with a bobby pin, and that's the finished look. I really like how this ponytail turned out. I think it went great with my look and it lasted all weekend. If you guys like this tutorial, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.